Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're addressing a frustrating issue that many iPhone users face, videos refusing to load properly. Whether you're dealing with videos that won't play in your gallery, social media apps, or web browsers, I've got you covered with these practical solutions. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. Video loading issues often come down to simple software glitches or connection problems. First, let's try the simplest solution. Force close the app where videos aren't loading. For most apps, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle to see your open apps. Find the problematic app and swipe it up and off the screen to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app and try playing videos again. If that doesn't work, let's check your internet connection. Videos require a stable connection to load properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the issue persists on both networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or restarting it. You can also try turning airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then turning it off again to reset your network connections. Now, let's check your iPhone storage. Go to Settings, the General iPhone Storage. If your storage is nearly full, less than 1 GB available, this can prevent videos from loading and playing properly. Free up some space by deleting unused apps, old messages, or offloading photos to iCloud. For videos specifically in your Photos app that won't play, let's try resetting your location and privacy settings. Go to Settings, the General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Location and Privacy. This will reset your location and privacy settings to default, but won't delete any of your personal data. If you're having issues with videos in specific apps like social media platforms, try updating the app. Go to the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right, and scroll down to see pending updates. Update any apps that are having video playback issues. For persistent problems, let's check your iOS version. Make sure you're running the latest version of iOS by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates, as these often include bug fixes for media playback issues. As a last resort, you can try resetting all settings. Go to Settings, the General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. This will reset all your preferences to default but won't delete any of your personal data or media. I know how frustrating it is when videos won't load on your iPhone, especially when you're trying to watch something important or entertaining. One of these solutions should get your videos playing again. For most people, simply restarting the app or checking their internet connection does the trick. If this guide helped you resolve your video loading issues, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.